Hello, hello, hello. This is the Vanilla JavaScript podcast. I'm Chris Ferdinandi. Thanks so much for joining me. Today, I'm talking about the mobile web, changes in how people are browsing and accessing the internet, and what that means for us as web developers. Back on June 3rd, Laurie Voss, one of the co-founders of NPM, tweeted about the latest Nielsen Total Audience report, noting, quote, "I knew that mobile web overtook desktop in 2014, but today I learned in 2020, US consumers spent 88% of their internet time on mobile devices. Forget mobile first, it's nearly mobile only." Wow, I am sure that the global pandemic played a role in those numbers to some extent, but this has a big impact on how we build things for the web. From my perspective, this means that performance becomes more important than ever. While many web developers use high-end devices and have fast internet connections, many of the folks who use the things we build do not. They're only on older devices that struggle hard with lots of JavaScript and run on slow internet connections. This also means that all of those fancy hover-only flourishes people like to put into websites are extra bytes that most users never see or experience. We should be designing for touch, or better yet, multimodal input, rather than just clicks and hovers. We should be looking at web experiences on tall and narrow or wide and squat viewports. How does the content look? Is anything cropped or clipped or bleeding off screen? Does everything work? I'm not in the mobile only camp, as Laurie says. I think he's being intentionally silly there, but I do think we should be prioritizing mobile far more than most of us do. That's it for today. If you want to finally master JavaScript, head over to vanillajsguides.com and check out my pocket guides and video courses. As a listener of the show, you can take 30% off with the code podcast at checkout. See you next time. Cheers.